Canceling Xfinity TV in 2025 involves a few key steps to avoid unnecessary charges. You can cancel by calling 1-800-XFINITY, using the Xfinity app website, the fastest method, or visiting an Xfinity store. Have your account number or SSN ready. Be prepared for retention offers, but decline if you're set on canceling. Once canceled, billing stops immediately, but you'll receive a prorated final bill. Refunds for unused service take 1 to 2 billing cycles. Return all Xfinity equipment, including TV boxes, remotes, and cables. Xfinity will email or text you a prepaid return label within 24 to 48 hours after cancellation. Return the equipment within 21 days to avoid late fees. Ensure everything is undamaged. Xfinity charges for missing or broken items. If under contract, you might face an early termination fee, ETF, typically $10 per remaining month, but this can be waived in specific cases. After returning, monitor your account for about 60 days to ensure no errors occur.